Welcome back to the best and last video that you have watched in this series. If you haven't watched this series, go and click on my playlist and you will see how you can create a homemade skincare for yourself day and night that's going to change your skin's game. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a face mask that will help fight acne, hyperpigmentation, and give you a glowing, hydrated skin. If you are interested, listen. Choose to listen if you want to, because if you don't try it, you don't know what you are missing. All the exact measurements will be listed towards the end of this video at some point. Guys, this is one simple face mask you can implement in your skincare routine, because you only have to use it 1 to 2 times per week to see immense difference. This face mask is beneficial because it is going to nourish and moisturize your skin. It is going to deeply hydrate while brightening your skin and getting rid of dark spots with the natural vitamin C in the lemon. So with this face mask, I suggest you make enough for the use, or you make enough for the week and just put it in your fridge when you are done. All you have to do is put your mixture together, apply it 1 to 2 times per week, and let it sit on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's set down, you can rinse it up. Now, I'm gonna warn you guys, be careful with the turmeric. Maybe even minimize the amount of turmeric you use, because too much of it had my face, because you're allowing the thing to sit there for a while. When I apply 1 tablespoon, or 1 teaspoon rather, my face was yellow. I have a video. I'm gonna see if I can edit and upload that for you guys. But your face will become yellow. Now when that happens, if you have a cleansing oil, just apply that, wipe it off, and it's gonna be okay. However, if not, just go back in and wash your face again. But I'd rather you just minimize the turmeric that you add in there. As you can see, I basically used half a lemon, because I went back in and squeezed it until the paste becomes the consistency that I wanted. See how beautiful that looks? Also, make sure with these natural ingredients, always do a patch test to make sure that each ingredient does not, affect your skin. And also, analyze your face. Look at your face. You know your skin. What is missing in your skincare? Like, what kind of concern? What are your concern and problematic area that you want to target? Based on that, you can adjust this recipe easily and implement ingredient that works for your skin type, especially if you have allergy to one ingredient or the other. So for now, guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys find this video useful. I hope you can like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare videos and more hair care videos. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday, and thank you for following me through this series. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.